Welcome to Classic Car Corner. We've got a treat for you. 20 classic cars listed for sale at incredibly affordable prices. Keep watching to discover some real bargains.
Number 1.
The 1978 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Coupe 2D, priced at $12,900, is a great opportunity for muscle car enthusiasts. Featuring the iconic Fisher T-tops, this Firebird has a solid body with some recent steel and bodywork completed. While it's an older restoration with original paint, the car remains in good shape overall. The interior is well maintained, though the seats could benefit from new upholstery. Notably, the car is currently without an engine, making it an ideal candidate for an LS swap or a full restoration. It includes new door panels and offers great potential for a passionate project. With a clean and clear title in hand, this Firebird is located into seller's location. It's available on a first-come, first-served basis, with no trades or holds, so act fast.
Number 2.
The 1965 AMC Rambler two-door post, priced at $11,500, is a rare and exciting find for racing enthusiasts. This Rambler has been built as a gasser with a 400 horsepower 327 engine, equipped with HEI ignition and a 650 Bigs competition carburetor. It's paired with a TH350 transmission, featuring a Stage 2 shift kit and a 3,800 stall converter, delivering power through a 7.5 S10 rear differential with 4.10 gears, a mini spool, and Moser axles. This car is ready for the strip, with 29.5 by 10 Phoenix drag slicks in the rear and 4.5 by 15 drag radials in the front. A fuel cell and battery are mounted in the trunk with a side-mounted disconnect for added convenience. With only about 30 passes and a best time of 13.8 seconds at 98 miles per hour, this Rambler is a solid performer. Located in Elk Mound, WI, this vehicle is available for purchase with no trades, making it a prime choice for those looking to own a piece of drag racing history.
Number 3.
The 1954 Deluxe Business Coupe, priced at $16,500, is a well-preserved classic for collectors or enthusiasts. This model, with the 72C body style, maintains its original 6-volt system, now featuring an Optima battery with a quick shut-off for convenience. The car starts and runs excellently, benefiting from a recent carburetor update, with a smooth clutch and a well-functioning 3-on-the-tree transmission. The car's braking system is in great condition, requiring only single-action braking, with no pull while driving. Its tires were replaced last year, and the vehicle cruises smoothly on highways with no vibrations or wandering. Despite some rust issues in the inner rockers and a dented rear bumper, the car is structurally sound, having had its outer rockers replaced. The engine runs smoothly with no major concerns, though there is minor oil leakage. The exhaust system includes Fenton headers and glass packs, giving the car a distinctive sound. With a platform instead of a rear seat, as per factory specs, it features chrome seat belts for the driver and passenger. This Ford Deluxe has been well loved, driven in events like the Woodward Dream Cruise, and is ready for its next owner, located in Southeast Michigan.
Number 4.
The 1960 mg MGA, priced at $14,750, is a fantastic option for those seeking a classic British roadster. This MGA is in good condition and has undergone several key refurbishments, including new or refurbished SU carburetors, a clutch, radiator, gas tank, fuel pump, and brakes, ensuring reliable performance for its next owner. With its timeless design and updated components, this MGA is ready for the road and offers an enjoyable driving experience. Located in seller's location, this car is a great opportunity for anyone looking to own a piece of British automotive history.
Number 5.
The 1977 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $13,000, is a mostly original classic muscle car with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 350 engine. It includes the original build sheet, adding to its authenticity. While it features an aftermarket hood and Edelbrock carburetor, this Camaro remains a fun, driver-quality car. The seller is open to select trades, as long as they are of equal or greater value. Located in seller's location, this Camaro offers a great opportunity for someone looking for a piece of American muscle history.
Number 6.
The 1978 GMC Sierra Grande 1500, currently listed for an undisclosed price, is a well-maintained classic truck featuring its original 350ci engine and turbo 350 transmission. While it has been repainted in its original color, the seller notes that they did not handle the repainting. Recent upgrades include headers, an aluminum intake, a 600 Holly Street Warrior carb, and new exhaust from the header's back. The truck also boasts numerous new components, including a heater core, radiator, starter, and battery, all replaced within the last year. Though the truck has some rust and flaws, it remains solid and is equipped with C10 Rallye wheels. The seller is open to trades for C10 short beds, 1967 to 72, or 1973 to 80 square body models, as well as muscle cars. Additional bedside and rocker body panels are available for extra cost. This Sierra Grande is a great opportunity for anyone seeking a classic truck with plenty of character.
Number 7.
The 1979 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Touring Sedan 4D, priced at $2,500, or best offer, is a rare classic with only 65,000 miles. This low-mileage Oldsmobile is priced to sell due to space limitations, making it an excellent opportunity for a buyer. However, it requires a transmission rebuild or replacement, which the next owner will need to address. Despite the transmission issue, this car is a solid project for anyone looking to restore a vintage luxury sedan. Located in seller's location, it's available for a quick sale, so act fast if interested.
Number 8.
The 1973 Chevrolet Vega GT, priced at $8,500, is a great option for those looking for a classic compact car with a performance upgrade. This Vega runs and drives, and features a small block 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The interior is in great condition, with new carpeting, although it still needs a dashboard. The car comes with slicks for the rear, making it a fun choice for both street driving and potential track use. Located in seller's location, this Vega GT is ready for its next owner.
Number 9.
The 1953 Chrysler New Yorker, priced at $12,000, is a classic sedan with only 12,000 miles. This well-preserved car runs and drives, making it ready for its next car show. With a clean title, it offers a smooth ownership transfer for the next buyer. The seller is open to trades for a truck or SUV, making it a flexible opportunity for those seeking to exchange vehicles. Located in seller's location, this New Yorker is a prime candidate for collectors and enthusiasts.
Number 10.
The 1968 Pontiac Firebird, priced at $23,000, or best offer, is a very clean project car that's nearly complete. It runs and drives well, featuring a newer 350 engine paired with a 700 R4 transmission. The car also has a new 40 Series Flowmaster dual exhaust system, along with new wheels and tires, enhancing its performance and appearance. While it still needs some finishing touches, this Firebird is a solid option for anyone looking for a classic muscle car project. Located in seller's location, it's available for immediate sale.
Number 11.
The 1965 Buick Riviera Coupe 2D, priced at $22,500, is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to own a piece of classic American automotive history. Featuring a powerful 401 nailhead engine paired with a 700 R4 transmission, this Riviera promises a smooth and reliable drive that captures the essence of mid-century muscle cars. The exterior boasts a stunning paint job that enhances the car's sleek, timeless design. Inside, the car offers a comfortable and well-maintained interior, ideal for both leisurely drives and car shows alike. With its strong performance and iconic styling, this Buick Riviera is ready to hit the road. It's available on a first-come, first-served basis with no holds or trades, so act fast to make it yours.
Number 12.
The 1975 Chrysler Cordoba, priced at $9,250, is a pristine example of a well-preserved classic. This model is all original and runs and drives beautifully, showcasing the care it has received over the years. Equipped with a 360 V8 engine, the Cordoba delivers reliable performance with that vintage American muscle feel. While it does not come with AC, the car's clean condition and smooth handling more than make up for it, making it an appealing option for collectors or enthusiasts. Available on a first-come, first-served basis with no holds or trades, don't miss your chance to own this classic.
Number 13.
The 1971 Buick Skylark Coupe 2D, priced at $5,000, offers an exciting project opportunity for car enthusiasts. This Skylark comes equipped with a 1989 LT1 engine featuring an Edelbrock manifold and Flowmaster exhaust, with the engine in very clean condition. It also has a 350 turbo transmission, though the engine wiring and drive shaft still need to be hooked up. The interior boasts all white leather seats, and the car comes with brand new tires, plus a set of 22-inch rims as an extra. It's available for purchase or trade, with the owner open to trading for a truck or a C10.
Number 14.
The 1972 Dodge Challenger Rallye 340, priced at $27,000, is an original TX9 black car with a white top and matching white interior, making it a rare and striking find. Featuring a 340-stripe delete, this Challenger is equipped with a 727 automatic transmission with manual valve body and a 391 Sure Grip rear, offering a solid performance foundation. While it has an older paint job showing some age, including minor bubbling at the bottom of the quarters and peeling clear coat in spots, the car remains very solid with no need for new floors or panels. It also comes with factory air, though it is currently non-functional. This Challenger presents a great restoration opportunity for a classic muscle car enthusiast. Available on a first-come, first-served basis.
Number 15.
The 1971 Pontiac Ventura, priced at $3,900 OBO, is a solid option for anyone seeking a classic car at an affordable price. It comes with a good motor and transmission and runs great, making it a reliable choice for someone looking to hit the road without much additional work. This Ventura offers a great combination of performance and value, making it a perfect starting point for classic car enthusiasts or anyone wanting to add a vintage ride to their collection. Available for the best offer, so act fast before it's gone.
Number 16.
The 1951 Ford Shoebox, priced at $28,000 or $30,000 in trades, is a fully custom classic that stands out with its extensive modifications. It features a 3 3/4-inch chopped roof, shaved door handles with poppers, and a smooth, shaved nose, all giving it a sleek, modern look. The car includes Merc cruising skirts, Frenched lake pipes, and all-around tinted glass. Under the hood, it's powered by a freshly rebuilt 1970 Chevy 350 LT1 engine and a turbo 350 transmission, both with only 2,500 miles. It also boasts a Ford 9-inch rear end, air ride suspension in the rear, and a 78 Camaro front clip with 2 drop spindles. The custom paint and leather interior, complete with power seats, add to its luxurious feel, and the trunk features recessed license plates and purple neon lighting underneath the car. This shoebox is a true attention grabber and drives beautifully. Available for $28,000 cash or $30,000 in trades, with the seller open to hot rod or custom vehicle offers like C10 short beds, Monte Carlos, Chevelles, Impalas, and more.
Number 17.
The 1977 Chevrolet C10 Bonanza, priced at $10,000, is a unique, one-year-only yellow trim truck. It comes equipped with a 350 engine and a TH350 transmission, along with 3.08 gears that allow it to comfortably cruise at 70 miles per hour. The truck features a new 5/8 lowering kit, 20-inch wheels with almost brand new tires, and dual Flowmaster exhausts, giving it both style and sound. The front end has been newly rebuilt, and a new steering column was shortened by 2 inches to provide more space for the driver. Though it's a patina truck and not a showpiece, it consistently turns heads and draws compliments wherever it goes. The seller is open to trades, particularly for other C10S, OBS, NBS models, Jeeps, or similar vehicles.
Number 18.
The 1965 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $12,000, is a solid running coupe with a column shift. While not an SS model, this Impala runs, drives, and stops well, making it a great driver. It comes with several new components, including a radiator, water pump, tires with less than a mile on them, and an electric fan. The car has had a recent tune-up and features a fully functional dash, with doors that open and close properly. Although it shows its age and will need floor pans and some bodywork, it comes with a clean and clear title. This is a great opportunity for someone looking to restore or enjoy a classic American car.
Number 19.
The 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $3,500, is a fun classic that runs, drives, and stops, but comes with some quirks. It features a new HEI distributor and a converted floor shift, with a new clutch installed a few years ago. However, it's a bit loud due to the side pipes lacking mufflers. While the car is drivable, it's missing interior door panels and has some reliability issues, like the starter bendix occasionally not engaging, though it starts with a few bumps. It's been used as a daily driver and still offers a lot of fun on the road, but could use some additional work. A great project car for someone looking to restore a classic.
Number 20.
The 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, priced at $22,500, is a classic muscle car that combines style and performance. Powered by a robust 302 engine paired with an automatic C4 transmission, it features power steering for easy handling and Wilwood front disc brakes for reliable stopping power. The underhood chrome adds a touch of flair, while the all-new pony interior ensures a comfortable and stylish driving experience. It comes with a like-new set of torque thrust wheels fitted with Cooper Cobra tires, along with a matching spare. The body is solid and the mechanics are sound, making this Mustang a great option for anyone looking to take home a piece of automotive history. Thanks for joining us on this classic car journey. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and leave a comment with your top pick. Subscribe to Classic Car Corner and tap the bell icon for more great content. Catch you in the next video.